Hey everybody, welcome to Dog's FPV Life Channel. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody that's watched my videos, giving me thumbs up, and encouraged me with this this super great FPV hobby. I know I'm not a great pilot yet, and I don't get a chance to fly a lot, but I have made a lot of little videos, just trying to share the experience of this great hobby with other people like you viewers that's watching this right now. I unfortunately don't have anybody in this area that I can share my experience with, and it's also a great way for me to look back at and see how far I've came. I got into this hobby about the second week of November 2019. I started out with a little Emax Tiny Hawk and bounced that thing all over my house, in the cabinets, off the dogs, off the cat, everything, trying to fly. I watch you guys' videos out there, and they're just awesome, man. I mean, it's just so inspiring for me to want to do things like that, and that someday I can make some good content that people are going to watch all the way through. That's my goal, and is to get good enough to be able to make a good flight, bring it home in one piece, and make some content that someone wants to watch the whole entire video instead of 10 seconds of it and click out. But I do appreciate all the people that has watched. The reason I'm making these videos is to share this great hobby with other people that may be getting into it, and possibly getting some feedbacks of the veterans out there who's already into it, and maybe can give me some tips and pointers on my videos of what I should and shouldn't do. And with that being said, I'm going to be posting some more videos. Today's flight, I'll probably post it as well. I hope you don't get burnt out on me, and stay with me and watch me grow in this great hobby of FPV freestyle. Maybe you can give me some comments and tips on my videos. Like I said, I'm still really green at this, and I'm taking in all information. I've been learning how to work on my quads, replace components in them, which is part of the hobby. And it's just as fun as flying the quad. Making the videos, learning how to edit these videos has been a blast as well. And be able to share everything I do with somebody with the same interest. So today, I come back out to the soccer field here. I'm going to do a little test on the Wizard, and had a couple of good crashes the last time I had them out. The Wizard went ahead and the flight board took a dump on it, so I replaced it with a Seal Racing F4 version 1.6 flight board on this one. Put in a new receiver. I put an XM mini receiver in there, full range, and that's the one. I also put the Foxier 1200 line Falcor 2 camera on, which I seem to like that camera pretty well. I would definitely probably recommend that. Thanks for watching, and thanks for definitely supporting me. And if you got any tips, pointers for me, leave comments below. All appreciated. And till next time, we'll get to flying. Thanks.